Can. We use can to say someone has the ability to do something. We often use can to talk about ability to do something in the present and future. Example, she can sing very well. Ram can speak English. Different forms of can: positive, negative, and question. Positive form: I can, we can, you can, they can. I can speak English, we can speak English, you can speak English, they can speak English. He can, she can, it can, Ram can. We use can't or cannot. Both can't and cannot mean that a person or object does not have the ability to do something. Negative forms: I cannot or I can't. We can't, you can't, they can't. I can't speak English. We can't speak English. You can't speak English. They can't speak English. He can't, she can't, it can't, Ram can't. Question form: Can I? Can we? Can you? Can they? Can I speak English? Can we speak English? Can you speak English? Can they speak English? Can he? Can she? Can it? Can Ram? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.